Couple of words that might have thrown fear into your hearts in the past, but really they're not too tough. In fact, they're rather easy, so let me simplify them for you. I know you could tell it was leading up to that, couldn't you? Simplify in terms of a mathematical expression just means gather like terms, make it a little bit easier, and so forth. So consider this one: 8x plus 5 plus 2y plus 4x minus 11 plus 6y. Looks rather disgusting, doesn't it? But let's notice that what we have here is we got some x's, we got some numbers, and we have some y's. So let's highlight that with some pretty colours. So we got 8x and 4x, we got 2y and 6y, and we have 5 and minus 11. So let's gather those like terms. That's what we mean by like terms. Take the x's together, take the y's together, take the numbers together, and now I hope you can see it's relatively straightforward to say, well, we got 8x and 4x, well, that's 12x. We got 2y and 6y, that's 8y. And we have minus 11 and 5, that's minus 6. So simplifying this just means let's get all the x's together, all the y's together, and all the numbers together. All the things that when x and y are just being used generally, we don't know what numbers they are, but we can still do the mathematical treatments with them. A similar word, or phrase, I guess, is to expand brackets. All you may do when I say expand brackets is you multiply them out. Okay, so for example, let's expand 3 into 2x plus 5. Well, all we're doing when we multiply out is we just take whatever outside the brackets and multiply everything in the brackets by what's outside. So this is going to be 3 times 2x plus 3 times 5. In other words, 6x plus 15. We don't know what x is, doesn't matter. This expression is whatever x is times 6 plus 15. Make it a little bit more fun. Let's expand and then simplify. So we got two brackets here. So let's consider those separately. First of all, 4 times the contents of that bracket is 4 times 3x plus 4 times 7. Now the contents of this bracket, 5x plus 5 times 2. And of course, we're adding those together. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 7 is 28. And 5 times x is 5x. 5 times 2 is 10. So now we've expanded the brackets and got those. Now we'll simplify because we've got some x's, we've got some numbers, put them together, and we get 17x plus 38. So simplify just means get all the same things together, kind of organize, if you like, your mathematical expression. And expand in brackets, just you've got something in brackets, something outside, multiply everything inside by everything outside.